Hello friends, this is Kallol Roy from Foetron Academy. This is in continuation to my earlier videos on Microsoft project. Today I shall be telling you on a very important aspect of project, that is resource. We know for a task to be completed, we need to use resource like man, machine and material. Let me take this tractor development project for explanation, and I have already made the project with different tasks like layout, design activity, final design review, prototype development, prototype testing, pilot development, pilot testing, product launch in the market, feedback from the market, closing, etc. So I have to assign resources for this task. So let me select a task, say design activity. I have to assign resource here. For that, first I am going to resource menu, and there I am going to assign resource icon. You can see one pop-up window appeared and resource names are appearing. This resource name I have already given for the project. So I am assigning Anshita for this particular task, that is design activity. I am assigning her and closing it. You can see the Anshita has already been checked for this particular task, and other three columns I'll be describing later. I'm closing it. Friends, will it not be nice to see the resource name appearing along with the taskbar? Yes, it will definitely look good and informative. So how do I do it? Let's click on the Gantt chart section. That pop-up window appeared. Now let's select the task and go to the text section and give value, say in the left side or say right side, resource name. So friends, now you can see the resource names are appearing against the task. Here I have assigned Anshita's name for this particular task. It is appearing here. So friends, keep watching Foetron Academy channel in YouTube and subscribe, like, share and get connected to the know-how of Microsoft technology. Thank you.